Hey y'all, and welcome to the Southland Piper. I'm your host Tim. Hope you're doing well today. Well, I've got some pipes that I need to get rid of, so let's turn around to the workbench and see what I got. Well, I've got 14 pipes that I'd like to share with you guys, and hopefully I can sell a few of these. Let's start off with this one. It's some of these you've seen in videos. I guess most of them you've seen in videos, and a couple you haven't. But 1937 Dunhill, patent era. Take a look at the nomenclature there. For 37, it's in decent shape. Well, it's in good shape, I guess. The dot is just about gone. I did not redo the rim. I wanted to leave this one pretty much untouched, but 1937. Here's a 1969, I believe. Yes, 1969 Dunhill. ODA, Bulldog. Stem's in great shape. Some of these got a little dusty. Rim's in good shape. Nomenclature is a little light. There's the year stamping. Nomenclature is a little light. Now I'll put up my email right here. If y'all are interested in any of these pipes, just email me. I'm open to offers. We'll discuss it and we'll see what we end up with. Here's a 1980 Dunhill Briar. Smaller pipe. Nice condition. Need to coat the inside of that. Bowl. Stem's in great shape. 1980. If you wanted just a small compact pipe, that'd be a great one. Savinelli Lina. There's the nomenclature on it. Lina 76. Yeah, this is a series of pipes they made for 1976. Nice pipe. It's comfortable in the hand. Now here's a Camoy. This is an old briar. Camoy old briar. Camoys. Another smaller pipe. About the size of the Dunhill. Just almost directly the same size. Have another Camoys. This is the Marble Arch. This one did have a repair on the stem. Pretty pipe. Camoys. This one's Shadow Grade, shape 215 Camoy. Pretty pipe. Stem's in really good condition. Here's the nomenclature. Camoy Shadow Grade. It's in nice shape. It's one of my more recent videos. It's Larsson. Very unique design. Handmade. Super 115. Nice pipe. GBD. Sort of a, I don't think that's plateau. I think that's more of a rustication. Yeah, it's a rustication on the rim there. This stem also had a repair to it. Good old Savinelli Deluxe. It's in really nice condition. Stems in really good condition. Pre-pipe, nice sandblast on it. It's a 810 KS. Savinelli Deluxe Milano. Nice condition. This little Jeanette. Jeanette Rustic. Pretty stem. We have a Joby. I believe this one has the link system. Yeah, well, it'll also unscrew. They developed this system, so if you snapped off your stem, you could just replace this tenon part and keep going. You repair your own pipe. Caminetto, New Deer, shape 109. It's a nice pipe. Here's your mustache. Stem's in excellent condition. Pretty pipe. And then finally, I have this Ali Meerschaum. I bought this one myself, started to color in a little bit, but then I switched over to filtered pipes and so quit smoking it. But started to get a little coloration. It's a good smoking pipe. Pretty design. Deep bowl. Nice pipe. Well, again, if you're interested in any of these, email me. We can start with offers. I haven't really done any research on many of these. But anyway, here's my email address right here. And feel free to email me, and maybe we can make a deal or two. So thank you for sharing your time with me today, and hope to talk to you soon. Bye.